Hello, beautiful girls and ladies. How are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. If you are tired of flat, boring hair and want look a beautiful personality, you are in the right place. Today we are celebrating the short shaggy hairstyle. In 2026, the shag has evolved from a vintage throwback into high fashion cool girl. High fashion cool girl staple. It's all about layers, movement, and a perfect messy finish. In this 5-minute gallery, we are exploring how the modern shag can give you volume and edgy without the effort. Let's get into texture. As we move through these slides, notice the shuttered layers. Unlike a traditional bob, the shag uses heavy layering and the crown to create natural height. We are seeing massive trend in pixie shags, a hybrid between a pixie and a bob that's heavily thinned out for a wispy, airy feel. Look at the face framing wings that sweep back from the eyes. This creates a stunning lift for your facial features. Whether you have thick hair that needs doublinking or fine hair that needs all these choppy layers are the secret to that effortless rock star volume. Now let's talk about the fring. A shag is not complete without a great set of bangs. In these slides, you will see curated bangs that blend into the side layers and micro bangs for a more punk rock aesthetic. We are also highlighting the shaggy curly bob, where natural curls are cut into the layers to prevent that triangle shapes. Notice how the lift in texture means you don't need a flat iron. Just a bit of sea salt spray or texturizing paste and your hair is ready to go. It's the ultimate low maintenance style that looks better as the day goes out. A short shag is more than just a haircut, it's an attitude. It says you're bold, you're busy, and you are effortlessly chic. Which of these texture looks catch your eye? The soft curated bangs shag or a edgy chopped layer pixie? Let me know in the comments. If you are ready to embrace the messy hair and don't care vibe, give this video like, share your family members and others, and must subscribe my channel for more hair inspiration. So beautiful ladies and girls, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.